Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme X1 Max device without using any kind of RAM expansion capabilities. Yes man, this is my first time doing this kind of video on the Realme X1 Max. So previously whenever I did do the benchmark test in this phone, I did use a RAM expansion which is 5GB. I did enable always it was enabled. But right now in this video I'm going to turn it off completely and I'll try to restart the device completely. And let's see friends, what will be the random benchmark test we can actually expect in the Realme X1 Max device with this kind of RAM expansion completely turned off. Let me try to restart the phone because only then it will try to get impacted. And during this process, I'll try to even use the high performance mode. Let's say using high performance mode and without any RAM expansion, how much random benchmark score we can actually get in the Realme X1 Max. So will it make any kind of sense, like to increase the score or to decrease the score? What will happen? These are the few things which I'm really interested and curious about to see in this video for the demonstration purpose. So right now we'll be trying to observe friends exactly what's the difference in terms of the scores. So usually the phone did reach up to, after the Realme UI 3.0, it did reach 7 lakhs as well. But we're going to see what's going to happen without any kind of RAM expansion, how much we can actually get here. So all the apps are completely clear from the background and there's no RAM expansion capabilities. As you can clearly see, that's perfectly done. And let's open the benchmark test, and before that let's enable the high performance mode. Let's go to the battery, and right now the phone battery percentage is about 77, so pretty good for the 77% of the battery. We are good to go, and all the apps are completely clear from the background as well. So before score we did get about 6,88,000, 6,93,000, somewhere around that kind of score we'll be getting out usually in the Realme X1 Max. 6,90,000, 7 lakhs as well, sometimes it will try to reach. And right now I'm trying to check is there any kind of memory full or not. So there is no memory full issues at this moment. And now let me try to start the test. Before that, let's take the screenshot. So before with using RAM expansion, this is the score, and right now I'm trying to do the test again. Let's see even this time how much high score we can actually expect and what will be the temperatures during this process of demonstration. Right now it's 32 degrees Celsius, 31 on the front side, 33.6 on the back side, 32.8, 33.8, 34 degrees. And I'm going to be back after some time just to check with the temperatures what's going on in this Realme X1 Max device. So we'll be able to find out exactly without using any kind of RAM expansion, and I can be back after some time. Right now the benchmark percentage is about 52% and the temperature is about close to 38.8 degrees Celsius, and the back side is of 37.8 degrees, 38.6, 38.6. So overall it's kind of 38 degrees Celsius at this moment while doing the benchmark test in this Realme X1 Max device. And I'm going to be back after some time just to check with the temperatures normally what's happening in this Realme X1 Max with the overall temperatures, what's going to happen. So right now we are getting close to end of the test results in the Realme X1 Max. So it's about 38 degrees Celsius right now. It's not bad regarding the temperatures, 38 degrees. So overall it's maintaining about kind of close to 38 degrees temperatures in the Realme X1 Max device during this process of testing. So without any kind of external RAM capabilities, so there is no RAM expansion. Now we're going to see exactly what will be the highest scores, and finally the test is about to finish. And right now we got about 6,92,000 recording the benchmark test. As you can clearly see friends, and the temperatures kept on increasing up to 36.6, but when I did measure it was about 38 degrees Celsius. Overall friends, we got about 6,92,000. Even I'm trying to use a high performance mode. In the beginning I did get about 7 lakhs, but now it decreased slightly when compared with the before score. Overall score, as you can clearly see, CPU and the GPU. So let me show you the graph which I taken before and later. So right now try to look at the GPU score. GPU now it became 246 and before it was 242. So GPU got slightly increased friends when compared with the before score without any kind of RAM expansion. These are the results which we got. So GPU got increased by 4,000, 2,46,000. I think this might be the highest. Before it did reach up to 2,45,000, 44, but not 46. That's pretty good. So the score did not reach above 7 lakhs. Before it did reach up to close to 7 lakhs as well, but right now it did not reach in the Realme X1 Max device, which is running the Realme UI 3.0 and which is a beta version, I mean trial version only. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.